Can you see yourself in the 2020 Nissan Altima? With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.